Hello everyone, VBCPPLINUXTUTS here. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a login screen in Microsoft Visual Basic 2008, or which also applies with Visual Basic 2010. So let's get going. You go to File, New Project, Windows Forms Application, name it whatever you wish, and it's going to show Form 1. You can rename Form 1 just by going Solution, Explorer, and then right click, Rename, or whatever you want to do. So I put the width and the height of this form as 268 by 184, which is right over here. If you want to do the same thing, go ahead. First, we start by dragging a group box under containers. Now, the cool thing about this tutorial is I'm gonna show you how to make it in 3 tries. So if the user has only 3 tries to log in, if they can't, then it's gonna close the form application, or you can just play around with it. So, after the group box, you can rename it to, for example, credentials or login. I'm going to put login or /credentials. Now, after that, we're going to drag out one label, one checkbox, 2, 3. The label is going to say 3 tries, or whatever you want to put for it. Now we're just going to align checkbox 1, take the text out of it off. So do the same thing with, okay, let's delete that. And do the same thing with the checkbox 3. Here we go. Should probably space that out. And here the main components, the following, which are the username and the password, the labels, and the text boxes. Where's the text box? And another button to just say login. So let me just move these up. And we're just going to do this as login. We can do this and rename the labels to username and password. Now, how you edit this is just by clicking both of them, going to font, size, make it 10, so they look nicer. And now that we've got everything under control and ready to go, we click login. Now under login, you're gonna put the following code. Where it says form2.show, click here, add new item, Windows form, and form2.vb. Add, or you can put any name you want to. Let's go back to form 1. Let's move that. And what this means is that under form 2 you have whatever you have, but in form 1 it says if textbox1.text equals the username is test, or whatever you want to put for the username to log in, and textbox2.text is test, then form2.show me.hide. Now we cannot put me.close because the main form, if it gets closed, the whole application closes down. Else if textbox1.text is not equal to the username that you put, which is test, and textbox2.text is not equal to the password that you put, then we're going to do the if statement right here. Now for each one, for the first try, we're going to say if checkbox1.checked equals false, then checkbox1.checked equals true. Then it comes back here, and this is the second try. Else if checkbox2.checked equals false, then checkbox2.checked equals true. Third try, else if checkbox3.checked equals false, then make it checked. Else if checkbox3.checked equals true, then, which means if the last one is checked, then it's going to say MSG box, which is message box, closing application. The style you can put information or critical, or you have a variety right here. I prefer critical, and it says closing application as its title. So let's try this out. If I put test here, oh yeah, by the way, I've got to show you this. Let's go to Form 1, select the 3 checkboxes, go to Properties, scroll down where it says Enabled, make it false so the user cannot click them, and click the password box, the password text box, and go under password char or password character and type in this, which is Shift 8. Or if you can go to Microsoft Office Word and under the Insert menu, you can find out the different characters that you can input, or you can go to Run and type in charmap.exe to just find different characters to input in as the password, but usually it's the bullet one. Let's get back to work. So let's test this out. Let's debug it. Let's play it. Username, if I put test and test as the password, Form 2 shows. We're going to close that one. Now if I put something else, for example admin and password 1, log in the first try. If I put 1 2, second try. If I put 1 2 3, third try. And if I do it again, then it's going to say closing application, and if we hit OK, it just closes it out. I mean, under the Form 2, you can do whatever you want, such as make I don't know, another form where you can do your stuff, your work. It's up to you. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or video reviews or any requests, just please put them in the comment section below. And if you don't mind, please subscribe to this channel if you like this video and others. Thanks again.